If I were talking to another dentist about going digital, I would say immediately do it. Get the information, take a course, get in touch with Avident, go out and visit Avident's remarkable facility if you can. The more information they get about that, about digital dentistry, about Avident, about the benefits of doing dentures digitally, the more convinced they're going to be to do it. Once you see the information, once you understand the advantages, you're going to switch. You're going to change.
I would not have done a denture-focused practice at this point in my career without having a digital partner like Avident. It's the predictability of the outcome, the denture, the overdenture, the implant bridge. It fits every time. That predictability in denture world did not exist before we had CAD/CAM come to dentures. And Avident is the company, the group that introduced me to that. I've been out to the facility. I was amazed by the denture design. I was amazed by the milling processes that go on out there. To watch it, it's what propelled me to continue to practice and to, want to help more patients because it's predictable. And that predictability is phenomenal. That's what makes denture care, this denture practice in particular, fun. To be able to deliver exactly what you're prescribing, and that's what the digital fabrication method with Avident gives us.